In India, there are almost 2 lakh seats for lawyers every year. So people who want to start studying law, there are 2 lakh seats for them every year, approved by the Bar Council of India in around 1500 law colleges all over India. So it's very easy to start studying law. There are too many seats, too many people who are studying law, and every year at least more than 1 lakh, maybe 1.5 lakh new lawyers are graduating and joining the legal profession. And basically competition for lawyers is drastically increasing, right, every year. So the number of cases filed have not gone up so much, especially when it comes to civil or criminal litigation cases. In some cases the numbers are flat, and many cases the number of case filed is going down. Now if every year all of these lawyers are joining the same profession, trying to get the same work, competing for the same work, even older lawyers are noticing that younger lawyers are driving down prices of legal services, right? And it is a crisis in many ways. Nobody likes to talk about it. But remember that if you think that becoming a lawyer, getting your LLB degree will be some kind of your key to success, monetary success, it's not true. Most of the lawyers are not getting any success at all. To be even doing remotely well, you have to be in the top 20-30% of the legal profession. Then you start doing reasonably well, like a reasonable middle class life. If you want to do really well, you have to be in the top 2 to 4% of lawyers in India. And only then you are going to earn more than 5 lakh per month, which is, truly to be one of the rich people in India, you have to be in the top 2 to 4% of lawyers. Now, that means from day one, you need to start thinking of how you are going to differentiate yourself from other lawyers. If you are an average lawyer, you are done. You have no future. If you want to be one of the top lawyers, how are you going to get there, right? What exams are you going to appear in? What qualifications do you need? What kind of skills do you need? How will you build your track record? How will you build your professional network which brings you the right opportunities? How are you going to stand out from the crowd? If you have no strategy for this, you are not going to be successful as a lawyer. You will have no monetary success. You will have years of struggle, and even that does not guarantee anything. There is a myth that if you struggle for 10 years, 15 years, eventually you will get success. That is absolute nonsense. I can show you thousands of lawyers who have struggled for those 10, 15, 20 years, and even now they struggle. There is no change in their fortune, right? So do not believe in myths, and from day one start working on differentiating yourself. Think how you're going to build your personal brand as a lawyer. How are you going to build a strong network of clients, referring lawyers, other lawyers you can instruct perhaps, and you have to really figure this out. You have to be that kind of lawyer who's different from all the other lawyers, and your clients have to believe this, and that will make a difference. Do you have any questions on this? Do let me know in the comments.